everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I'm from Indian, guys. I am learning English. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I would like to talk about how I practice every day my English speaking, because you know many people are learning English, but they don't have ideas, and they always confuse like how can we practice and how can we manage your time. And so in today's video I will share you my uh, everyday English speaking plan. So guys, there are three or four things are very important to improve ourselves every day. Like first is listening is one of the most important things to improve ourselves. So guys, I listen every day English videos, English movies, English podcast, like whatever I have. I just, it depends on my mood. So I practice every day listening practice, it depends on my mood, if and it depends on my time schedule. If I have a lot of time, so I just listen lot of things in English. Like from social media you have a lot of content. You can choose like movies, videos, podcast, English cartoon also. You can watch anything, but you have to listen, understand. Like you have to make the habit of understanding, and always prefer according to your level, like simple English videos which you can understand easily. Don't think like I will listen native speaker and you are not understanding any single word. So always choose a simple English video and just try to listening and understanding all the sentences structure whatever they are speaking. So guys, listening practice is most important. As I do my listening practice every day, 20 minutes I uh, every day listening practice, and this is very helpful me. And I do my when I do my listening practice, so I sit that place like where everything is silent. I just totally focus on my listening practice. So this is how I do my listening practice, because this is very important to understanding. First we have to understand English, then we can speak and we can fluent in this language. So guys, start listening English every day. And the second one is reading whatever. Like if you have any book, and if I'm not suggesting any book, because uh, sometime I also read books, but I also my lot of time I prefer to read in a chat GPT. Like I just search on an article, like 10 minute give me a reading article. I just search on ChatGPT and ChatGPT give me a articles, and after that I just read aloud that article. So it is very helpful, it is very useful to improve my fluency and improve our communication rhythm and lot of things. And when we meet like new words, so that times we can learn new words and new vocabularies. So this is how I do my reading practice, and it's very helpful. So every day 10 to 15 minutes I do my reading practice. And the third one is speaking. Guys, speaking is most important activity to do yourself. You have to do every day, 20 minutes. You have to decide your 20 minutes like for a speaking purpose. You can talk with ChatGPT, you can talk to yourself also. I'm not just saying take any difficult topic and start speaking. You can talk about your introduction, you can talk about your like daily routine, and about your friend, about your family members, about your surroundings where you are sitting. Like as I am sitting on a terrace, so I can describe all the things whatever I am seeing. So that's why you can practice. So guys, you have to do this type of things. You can improve and you can learn this language. And the next one is very important, and many people also suggest this activity, like shadowing practice, guys, is very uh, powerful, and it is very easy, but it gives you a lot of result. If you start shadowing every day, so you can improve, you can see the result after some time. Like uh, it improves your fluency, your communication, your way of talking. So guys, you have to give only 10 minutes for a shadowing practice, and after 1 month and after some time, like you can see the result, what is the benefit of this shadowing practice. Like you have to select one video and then uh, on the subtitle, and after that first you listen carefully the title, and after that pause the video and try to speak in your own mouth, and like repeat 1 or 2 times. So this is how you can shadowing practice. Guys, this is very important and very useful. If you will do shadowing practice every day, so you can improve soon. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you in today's video, and thanks for watching this video. Now I'm ending this video. We will meet again in the next video. And if you are also learning this language and want to speak, so you have to speak every day, and you have to do all the things like whatever I uh, told you in today's video. So you have to do. So guys, make the strategy and make the plan, and just start speaking English every day. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.